So this is the Ben and Gary Show. We know dentistry. We're back at it again here. We wanted to give you an update as to how things are in our office. And we've been open since May in our McLean location, in June in our DC locations, and since then and up to now, we have been remaining safe. All of our team members are happy and healthy and ready to be able to deliver care for all of our patients that we've had over the years. And in terms of our message here, we want to make sure that that as Thanksgiving approaches, we just wanted to give our best wishes to you and your family to remain safe and have a wonderful time during this Thanksgiving holiday. And I believe we have Dr. Pinto here to be able to update us on sort of where we are with our office since that May time.
Yeah, it's been 5 months now that we've been working. But yeah, everything's been going great. I think everybody's trusting us that's coming in and to deliver the safest care that we can. I'm not going to go into the specifics of what we've been doing other than using better masks, using N95s, face shields, things like that. But you can look at our website on the COVID banner at the top that will kind of link you to all the safety protocols that we've been using. But yeah, everybody's been really kind of working to make sure that we can work in a safe environment. I mean, we all want to be safe as well, but still providing the best dental care that we can.
As Thanksgiving approaches, we just want to take this opportunity to thank you for your support. And, without you, we wouldn't be in business, of course. So we're very thankful that you've trusted us with your dental care. And we hope that you will have a very safe and fun time with your family. And if you're traveling, be safe. But we just want to take this time to show our appreciation. Thank you. And have a good Thanksgiving.
See you in the office.
Bye.
Bye-bye.